Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I I am I I will I want to presentation about advantage and disadvantage about online learning. Online learning is done through Zoom or video calls, which of course require a good and stable internet connection. For those who live in urban areas with an already available internet network on the sporting facilities, the one on the online learning areas with system can indeed be done without significant problems. However, what about students in the 3T area, which is an underdeveloped, leading and outermost area in Indonesia? There are advantages online learning. The implementation of online learning is considered to be able to reduce the risk of transmitting the COVID-19 virus in the school environment. Well, here are the advantage of the learning system. Number one is access can be easier. It is undeniable that the existence of internet technology makes it easier to access in various ways, including student learning materials. The students can choose and look for as many references as possible to do the assignment given by the teacher without bothering to go to the library, for example. The next is affordable cost. Since the implementation of online learning, many parents have complained about the extravagant spending on internet quota. But actually, if it calculated in more detail, the actual cost for internet quota is still cheaper than when students have to take lessons or tutoring. With internet quota, the required material can be searched and at no additional cost. And the last, more flexible time. The problem of time can also be an advantage than a disadvantage of online learning for students. More flexible time to study is one of the advantage of online learning. Students can repeat lessons at any time without being limited to school hours. And then disadvantage. Among the advantage it has, online learning also has some disadvantage. There are the disadvantage is the advantage limit. Number one, the first is limited internet connection. Students who live in urban areas have no problem without the internet. But what about those who live in rural areas or in treaty areas? Stable network and internet connection are still difficult to find in those areas, which can hinder the implementation of online learning. Next, lack of socialization and interaction. Learning online from home will not automatically involve direct, direct interaction with teachers or friends. In addition, students do not learn of how to socialize with teachers, friends, and the environment. This indirectly does not support the reformation of student character. And the last, difficult in understanding material. Not all students are able to follow the subject matter provided by the teacher online. This is also influenced by the type of learning the students have. Some students can already be able to understand the material given through sound alone, but there are students who must be given visual examples in order to understand what the teacher is saying. And there are is advantage and disadvantage about online learning. Thank you. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.